Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance with limited access, without full identity verification. While comprehensive trading, fiat deposits, and large withdrawals require Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification, you can still perform some basic actions. We will go through the initial steps to set up an account and understand what is possible on the platform without completing the full verification process. To start, visit the Binance website or app and choose to register using your email or phone number. You will need to create a secure password, ideally containing a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your details, complete a simple puzzle verification to prove you are not a robot. This initial setup does not require personal identification documents. With an unverified account, you can explore the Binance platform, viewing various cryptocurrency prices and market trends. You can also access and claim certain digital assets like NFTs, fan tokens, and gift cards. Additionally, you are able to receive cryptocurrency into your Binance wallet from external sources, though sending it out will be restricted. It is crucial to understand the limitations of an unverified account. You cannot deposit new funds directly or engage in active cryptocurrency trading. For existing unverified accounts, daily withdrawal limits are severely restricted, typically to a value of about 0.06 Bitcoin. To unlock full trading capabilities, higher withdrawal limits, and all Binance services, complete the identity verification process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.